Hello. Today what I want to do is take just a few minutes and explain the Rate Your Plate assignment, since it does take up a proportionate amount of your grade. There are 3 of them. One at the beginning of the semester for this week, one in the mid-semester, and one at the end. And then at the very end you write a paper kind of analyzing those 3 different times. The purpose of this assignment is to get your the way you eat, get you an understanding of the way you eat, why you eat. It's more of a personal assignment for you to understand, because as we've discussed in chapter 1, we eat for a lot more reasons than just hunger. And you'll start to see hopefully a pattern over the next few weeks of the way you eat. So the components of the Rate Your Plate are 3. The first one is a template, and it's included on the Connect website. And what that is an Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to look at it right now so I can be telling you exactly what it's going to be asking for. It's going to ask you for the times your meal started and ended, the type of meal it was, so breakfast, lunch, dinner, what was your hunger rating, what you were doing while you were eating, where you were eating, what were you eating, quantity, and please put serving sizes here. So if you had a bowl of cereal, estimate the amount, so maybe half a cup or a cup of cereal, that sort of thing, if there's anybody else present. And then your number 1, 2, and 3 reason for why you chose what you ate. You don't necessarily have to fill all those out each time. If you only had one reason, you were hungry, then that can just be your one reason. But if you had a couple of other reasons why you ate, then please put that. The second part of the assignment is going to ask you the following questions each time. What is your most frequent reason for eating or drinking? And this may or may not change over the course of the semester. It might, though, especially if you are currently making any changes in your diet, if you are training for anything, that sort of thing. The second question is, to what degree is health or nutritive value a reason for your food choices? So talk about that. Maybe you'll see progress there over the course of the semester as we learn about nutrition. What insights have you learned about the factors that motivate you to make your food choices? And hopefully, again, we see some changes there over the course of the semester. And then what do you think should be the primary factors that determine what you eat? So there's a difference between why you make the choices and then what should be your choices. And then finally, the final portion of the assignment is a kind of a chart where you fill in what you eat and then how much you ate, and then you're going to tell me the amount of each food group from the My Plate that we've discussed or will be discussing over the semester, how much of each of those. So if you have a bowl of cereal, you had a couple grains, and you had maybe half a cup of dairy because of the milk, that sort of thing. So again, you'll be doing that 3 times over the course of the semester. So after you do the first one, the second and third one are the exact same assignment, but it has to be a different day. Okay, I look at each one of them and compare them. You have to answer the questions each time, and you have to fill out that chart each time with the serving sizes. If you have questions on them, if you want me to take a look at it, the first one especially, then send me an email. We'll talk about it. I'll look at it. I'll let you know if you're on the right path. But the idea of this is to open up your eyes and get you an understanding of why you're doing the assignment, of why you have the specific eating habits you do, and hopefully make some positive changes. I don't expect you to have a complete diet change, but hopefully you do see some positive changes by the end of the semester. As always, let me know if you have questions, and good luck.